Wait lang, sarado to. Yo! Hihingal ako. Hi! So ngayon magsushoot tayo bago natin gawang project. Pakita lang natin sa loob habang nagpe-prepare pa lahat. Mabilisan lang. Papasok tayo sa loob. This is the hallway. Siyempre ito yung sunken natin na living room. Dito yung powder room natin. And siyempre itong toilet lang, walang shower. Entertainment area. Yan, ang formal kitchen, the service area and pantry. Pinakamagandang area para sa akin. Itong pool area dito, gazebo doon. Balik naman tayo sa taas para pakita natin yung iba. Ito yung stairs natin. Medyo floating siya. Ito yung second floor hallway going to the balcony. So yung mga bedroom nila team to. So ito for the boys room. This one is for girls room. May pocket door dito and this is their office. Dito naman is yung common bathroom nila. This is the master's bedroom. Ito yung kanilang closet, own toilet and bath. That's it for the 60 seconds quick tour no habang nag-aayos sila. Abangan nyo tong video na to, i-release na natin. So yun lang.